Hi students, it's Miss Jane. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. So this week, your wellness assignment is going to be all about getting outside and observing nature, looking for interesting things in nature. So sometimes in our lives we can get really busy and we can forget to stop and look around and notice what's around us. And when we can slow down and take time to look and listen and smell and feel, we can see that there's some really special things happening around us in nature. So this week, your work is going to be to go outside and look for a bird or an insect. A bird or an insect. And sit down, get quiet, and watch. Observe that bird or insect for as long as it will let you look before it flies away or runs away. And when you're looking, notice what you see with your eyes, maybe the colors, maybe how it moves, maybe what it's doing. Notice what you hear. Is it making any sounds? Maybe you'll notice what it smells like. Maybe the insect will have a smell. Maybe not. And if your parents say it is safe, you can even touch the insect to see what it feels like. So we're going to use our senses, except for our sense of taste. I don't think we want to taste a bird or an insect. That doesn't sound safe. But we're going to use all of our other senses to observe everything we can about this bird or insect. I want you to either take a picture or draw your bird or insect. You're going to send it to me on WhatsApp, and I want you to tell me one thing that you noticed. One thing that you noticed about your bird or your insect. Have an amazing time out in nature, looking and observing, and I cannot wait to see the picture or drawing of your bird or insect. Have a great week, everybody.